Here we are for another design. Geez, this is getting repetitive, don't you think? I'd love to see some intro ideas if you have any to give me. Anyway, back to the topic. Nah, I don't even need to say anything. Let's go straight to the winner, Pebble Dancifer Jr. He won the poll with 66% of the votes. So let's take a look at this design. Feet with moss or grass, and some flowers to bring him much closer to Dandy. Tail also with moss or grass. Little ears. Collar. Revealing his little face.
You're still trying. I know you still. I know you're still theorizing. I know you're still looking for points. I like that. I like that you're paying attention to me. After being stuck in hell for so long. Thank you.
Final result. Now Twisted Pebble. Mosses of plants and flowers wilted, dead, and with ichor. Tail. Long legs of ichor. Chest. Long neck of ichor. More mosses, plants, whatever, wilted. Finally, his big mouth. Final result. I hope you liked this redesign. See you.